Hello everyone. Today we will draw a kissing emoji. Let's get started. Using a round object to create a perfect circle. Kiss in the shape of a heart. Draw the number 3, these will be the lips. And now the eyes. Let's circle our smiley fatter.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it, a little boy.
Coloring time. Yellow, red, Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.